Show you how to make a sticker sheet mock-up if you have stickers on your Etsy shop or even on your website if you don't want to physically make all the stickers until someone purchases them. So I'm just going to show you 3 examples. Alright, so we're just going to do 1, 2, and 3. So you just have to click on the sticker, go to the edit button, go to shadow, go to glow. Then you're going to click on those 3 lines. It'll open up more information. You don't want it to be transparent at all. You do not want it to blur. This is the sizing. It depends on how far or how large you want it, but you can change the color to whatever color you want it to be outlined. I'm going to leave it yellow for now. I think 10 is good, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, so then you just apply it. That's cool. Okay, then you just have to pick a background. I don't use the white background because I actually want the color to be white on the sticker. So for example, edit, shadow, glow. 3 lines again. We don't want any blur. We don't want it transparent. And I'm putting mine out of 10. I'm changing this to white. And that's a go. So let's do one more, because I think you got the hang of it. Okay, so go there, edit, shadow, glow, transparency at 100, blur at 0, I size mine's at 10. You can pick your size based on what you would like to do. Do the white. That's a wrap. And if your stickers you can add to your Etsy shop. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.